kayo nagsino na nanalo kayo, ang gagaling nila.
Gagaling.
Kaya bahala kayo dyan. You will find a hard time with the winner. Can I vote for one? I'll go for Ella for one, and the rest you can vote. I'll go get one for Ella. Ella, go get it from Titos.
Cotabato yan.
Ay, nakasabi ko eh.
Yan, taga Cotabato yan. Yung nagwawala. We never know. Ngayong Pasko.
Christmas.
Ngayong Pasko daw. Kung
Gonna
60,
beat this 65 each.
oh, 65
We're
today.
going for 85.
85.
Courtesy of
Hamper, prize.
Pelmang's vlog. Pwede.
Kaway, kaway.
Ayan.
Hamper ito. 251, 255.
Papaluin. Papaluin daw. Saan ang pampalo? May pampalo? O sisipain lang?
Okay? And next one goes. Good. 150 more. Guys, come on. Are you ready? Next one. Next one.
Atara, you go there! Atara! Atara, yung nasingit kayo.
Pakilayo yung mga sipa. Pakilayo yung
Ayan na guys. Yan ang mga Pilipino.
Kapag kumakanta yung anak itlong, magtatagong buwan tayo ulit and then that's it. Then raffle na ticket.
Maganda ito na laro. Kaya ikaw, mga adult na lalaki.
Christmas party. Wala pa kaming date pero normally first week of December yan. Or a week before December, like November. Last week of October, November. Last week of November. Kasi minsan, some of you are already holding a Christmas party so nag-a-adjust din kami sa needs. Okay? It also depends kung ano yung place. Yeah. Place. Christmas party. But normally, Henry Bloom Nobles Primary School. Then we do the... Saan po kayo download ng kabayan, kulang pa daw sila ng 100 na people para mag-download.
Ano, kabayan limit po for first time users, it's 78.30 on exchange rate, and that's also free service fee. Now, yung record exchange rate natin for today is 77 pesos per pound. You will notice talagang maganda ang rates namin, and we promise to make it as perfect as possible.
Ayun, magpadala na kayo ng 5,000 yun ang maximum na kaya nilang ipadala. More than 5,000, hihingi sila ng saan ang source ng money nyo.
Yeah, documentation.
Okay? Documentation, statement of account and savings. Pero ang sinasabi ko lang, magpadala na more than that, okay? So, thank you. Ito na po. Okay, drum roll, wala lang. Nangungo na. Okay, here goes. Okay? Doon sa